I've just arrived at a most wonderful place. It's Saturday afternoon. There's a small taster of it. This is the room I'm in. Absolutely lovely room. Beautiful bathroom. And as you can see, very, very cosily, nicely decorated. This has to be documented in some form or another. We'll walk round and have a look round as well. But this beautiful, and it's a lovely afternoon as well. It's not too sunny, and it's not overbearing in any way. And this is just fabulous. So there we are, the Brownsover Hotel. I've not stayed there yet because I've just arrived. Will I see any paranormal activity tonight? Who knows? I have an open mind. So I've never seen anything, but then again, there's a lot we don't know, isn't there? And it certainly looks, if I were a ghost, I would want to stay there, you know. As we go under here, we can feel the nice coolness of the cover. More. That looks like it could be private accommodation. Here we are. A nice. This could be someone's private garden, so look at this. Now, on my travels, I've stayed in some wonderful hotels, and they're all lovely. They're all lovely in their own way. But this is spectacular. Unfortunately, the restaurant's closed at the moment for refurbishment and having work done. So I won't be able to have a meal here, which is a shame, but never mind. It's all beautiful. It really is a fantastic place. And it's a fantastic place from every angle. From every angle you look at this place, it's something else. I'm really going to enjoy staying here tonight. This actually reminds me of the hotel at Cromer. There's a hotel at Cromer with it's got roughly the same layout. I always think of Del Boy when I see these chandeliers. Bit of a labyrinth. So as I say, there's nothing out of the ordinary. Pretty much like any other hotel corridor. All these different staircases. So you've got another staircase here. We have another little bit where it goes up. I love these old places. Lots of levels, lots of different directions you can go in. So you've gone past my room. I've lost track now completely. Oh, here we are, yeah. And another little staircase here. Which goes to another level. Where my room is. Here. Number 7. So there's the base of the tower there. And there it goes. And they're supposed to be well haunted. These old sash windows, they have a huge counterweight in them which goes inside the walls.